Hello y'all, I wasn't gonna, actually make another YouTube video. Of course, I've done a shitload of videos in the last few days or so, but main reason I'm making this video today is, well, my car needs vacuumed, and got this brand name is Thisworx. Damn, son. The story, of course, I received this as a Christmas present last Christmas. I believe it was like, my stepdad, Bruce, that gave this to me. And, of course, I unwrapped it and all that. And Mom told me, Sammy, Bruce got you one of them cordless vacuums, and I took a look at the package again, and no, it's actually a one of these vacuums that plugs into the 12-volt outlet to cigarette lighter socket. One of them deals, and I mean, it's just, I kind of wasn't enthused because, you see, I've owned them, these little vacuums before similar to this, and of course, I mean, years ago, don't know whatever became of those vacuums, maybe buried away in my shit, or I don't know what happened to them, but, I use them, and I really wasn't impressed. I mean, not really the, best suction. I mean, usually when I vacuum my car, I'll use my, big old shop vac. That's it's a whole lot more effective, but, I guess this one may turn out to be okay. We'll try it out in a minute, but, I mean, just that the past record wasn't good, but okay, corded vacuum with accessory kit. Cleans all messes. Quick and easy. Car cleanups. More information on the side. Damn sun is glaring in the package, so forgive me for that, but if you can make that out, well, let me try and show it a little bit, move slower and show it a little bit better. But as you can see, yeah, as maybe you could see, I don't know if you can make it out, but storage bag for the vacuum itself and all the attachments, double filter and power cord, brush nozzle to remove deep dirt from fabric, flexible hose nozzle for hard to reach areas, and okay, now gonna take this into my dining room. We're going to move into my dining room, and I'm going to unpackage this, and we'll go ahead and see what's in the package, and then maybe give this a whirl. Alright, everything is unpacked, and here's the contents on my table here. Vacuum itself, the nice long cord. An accessory brush for more efficient pet hair removal. I guess your car seats or whatever. This long extension tube for, well, hard to reach places. I guess it goes in there. That's how it fits into the main vacuum nozzle. And also this hose for them extra hard to reach areas. And think if I can figure out how to get this in the fitting here. Oh, there we go. Similar to the shorter, you know, more solid plastic accessory. And directions. Extra filter for if the current filter gets damaged. Came with this small brush, and the directions say to use this brush to brush off the filter if it gets dirty. And the directions actually say to well, clean it with this brush. And for heavy duty work, wash it with warm water in addition to the brush. I mean, that's funny. I mean, most vacuums like this actually have filters that could get damaged if you ran water on them, but maybe this is newer and improved, who knows. But, and here's the actual vacuum bag. I mean, have one hell of a time fitting the vacuum in the bag. I mean, bag is pretty small, but you know, maybe it will at least hold the accessories. But let's go out to my car and give this thing a whirl. I think I have a mess of Petzl crumbs and Petzl salt in my car, and some pet here will give this puppy a whirl, and we'll see if it will even start up in the first place. Hopefully it will, because my cigarette socket, sometimes I have one hell of a time whenever I try to, you know, charge up my cell phone. I'll have to just tinker and move it, you know, the main plug around to the, you know, phone cord to actually get it to start charging, because it seems like it has somewhat of a short in it. But I also have a portable tire inflator for when my tires get low. I mean, that's always worked just fine in the socket. We'll see if this vacuum will work just fine in the socket too, but please note, I mean, I may have a hard time, like, you know, filming all this in my car. I mean, confined space with all that, but I'll do the best I can. Alright, y'all. The vacuum is here and plugged in. And as you can see, after tinkering with that, you know, main plug in a few times, it turns on. Now we're gonna go ahead and see how well it vacuums up this mess on my dashboard on the passenger side, and then we're also gonna try out this hose accessory and try to vacuum out the crevice in the side of my seat. Be right back. Alright, I got my camera on the tripod very low to the ground, so hopefully we can get a good footage of their performance. I must also add that, you know, the directions say to start up my car to use this vacuum, which the car is started up, but we'll go ahead and see what no good this handy device will do. Okay, here's the area I just vacuumed up close, and as you can see, I mean, the tank is pretty much filled up with debris for what the sun's not glaring on, but it did okay. I mean, not great, but it did all right. Now, let's try the hose, and y'all can't see that, but we'll try the hose now and see how well it will vacuum out the crevice there. Oh, all right, here we go. As y'all can see, the hose nozzle wouldn't even fit into the crevice. Of course, the other plastic tube might, but this didn't fit. So I vacuumed, like, you know, some specks on the seat, and it picked that up okay. I guess it's okay for light messes, hard to reach and all that, but not the best film, but doing the best I can. My final review of this vacuum, it's okay. It ain't great, but for what it is, it's okay. I'll probably, you know, keep it handy in my car, you know, to, like, you know, vacuum up light messes as I, make messes, to keep everything from accumulating up, so I won't have to bring out the shop vac to my car again so soon. It'll probably help out with that, but this is not great, but for what it is, it's alright. Hope you enjoyed the video. Correction here. When I was talking about pretzel crumbs, I meant to say pretzel, not petzel. I misused the pronunciation there, so I just wanted to clarify that, and hope you enjoyed.